Hey y'all, it's Charlene Bond from Prolific Expressions Web Design, and today I want to create this video just simply showing you how fast it is to create a YouTube thumbnail in Canva. So what I want to do is create a replica of a thumbnail that I have in Canva. I am a Photoshop expert. I use Photoshop all the time. I've recently gotten into Canva because I use my smartphone for a lot of content that I put out, and Canva is really good for that. So I use both. But now I want to see if I can try to replicate the same exact thumbnail or something similar in Canva like I have in Photoshop. And so I'm going to show you um, the thumbnail. So you see these thumbnails here? See how they are? Those thumbnails there. I want to create the same thing in Canva. So that's what I'm going to do. So follow this journey with me as I create. Let's see. So we're going to switch over. Here we go. All right, let's hop into it. Switch. Okay, there we go. So you should be able to see my canvas here. And the first thing I'm going to do is I went into templates and I put in tutorial, YouTube thumbnails. Okay, so now the reason why I did that is to make the process a little easier. Okay, I'm going to find one that closely resembles the thumbnail that I'm trying to replicate. So this one looks like it's pretty much the exact same thing, except it's in reverse. So I'm gonna show you my thumbnail here. And so if we go back, do you see how mine is on the right side? My text and the alignment and everything is on the right side, and my photo is on the left, and this one is the opposite. So you can see that there. All right. So I'm going to use this, and I am going to change this. So first, I'm going to get rid of these little icons here. Then I'm going to copy and move this to an alignment on this side. And I'm going to change it this way. About right there. And boom. Oh. Boom. Okay, now I'm going to select the text itself. And boom. Okay, now this text is actually, okay, align that right there, move the image here. All right. Let's see. I'm gonna take a little break to check, see how I'm doing, okay? So I'm gonna bring my thumbnail back in on my channel. You see these thumbnails here? Okay, now let's look at this one. See how I changed that? See how quick that was? Okay. Looking good. Okay, so I'm gonna continue. Pull back into Canva. All right, so now I'm going to continue. Now I want to pull in my photo. So for one, I'm going to do a copy of this by just duplicating the page, then scroll back up. Let me find a good photo to use for this. All right, so I think I found the photo that I want to use, and I've pulled it in here. Let's see. Can you see? Let's see, I'm gonna try pulling it in again. You see this photo? Let it upload. Can you see that photo? That's the photo that I want to use, okay? I think it's a good photo for the thumbnail that I'm creating. It's how to create a YouTube channel. Um, so yeah, I think that would be good, How to create a YouTube channel. How do I create a YouTube channel? So yeah, I'm gonna use that one. Let's see. Try this Canva background remover. Never tried it before. Let's see how good it is. Is it going to remove my background? Oh, okay. It did pretty good. Uh-huh. It did pretty good. Okay, good. So now I'm just going to pull that up there like that. Or do I want to make it a little bigger? No, I think that's good. Okay, so I'm going to delete this one, add this here, and I also want to add a background. So let's see. Let's see what kind of backgrounds. Let's see, lines. Okay, this might do. I have kind of like lines going. Oops, not that way. Let's move this out the way real quick. So the lines that I have. Okay, this is a big background. Let's see, I need to adjust this background. Okay, so this background might not work. It might not work. Let's try this one. Crop, flip, animate. Crop it. Okay. So see the background. Let's see if I do photo. See lines. Lines. I don't like that. It's too many lines, making me dizzy. Those lines too close. Plus, we can't really change the color. So I'm gonna go back here to background again, and I'm gonna put vertical. Okay. See, I really like this, but to stripe. Okay, you know what? For now, I am just going to use this like that. Let's see. Okay, this may not work. Let's see. Got X color. Okay. There we go. Let's see if we put it. Put it in red. Then make this black. And make this. Put that in in green? Or should I put it in white? I think I'm gonna put in white. Okay, so now we can get the text in here. How to create a YouTube channel. And actually, I'm not going to put how to create. I'm just going to put create a YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm actually going to put how to create a YouTube channel and put it right there. Okay, so let's see, how did we do here? Change the font. If we put that at about 100, and then we change the line height to about 1.1. Then we can realign that. How to create a YouTube channel. Looks like they take that down to about 95. Or we can extend this a bit and then have that like that. See, how does that look? Nah, I like it like that. So that was having trouble picking the font.
Hey y'all, it's Charlene.
It's one of my videos. I'm trying to see what font. This might be a good font to use. I don't know. There's something about that font that I don't really like. I think I'm gonna go back to 95 and then do Oswald. Then I'm gonna add a little bit more spacing. Line height. Okay. So I like it. Yeah, I like it. I think it is cool. Now I do want to add a little bar next to this. So the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to copy this, paste it, send to back, send it back one more time. Let's see. Okay, send back. Okay, there we go. Send to back, and then make that white. So there we have it. Let's see, what other kind of effects can we use to, it's not many. Filter. I think that's good. That's going to be it. So this is what we have. This is what I came up with. I successfully replicated my thumbnail that I use in Photoshop in Canva. So that was it. If you like this video, please let me know. It wasn't a how-to video. It's pretty much just a process of how, you can see me how I was replicating and how I used Canva. So if you like this video, let me know in the comments below. If you didn't like it, let me know why in the comments below. And if you didn't like it, guess what? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer. Until next time, thank you for being the best part of Prolific Expressions. Take care.